GM guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you how to complete the task on SoSoValue that says let's go to starter pack. That's the install the desktop app, the one right here. This install desktop app that gives you 150 EXP. So in order to do that, you need to get a laptop for yourself. If you don't have a laptop, you can use a friend's laptop. Just open your Chrome browser and visit SoSoValue.com. You can see the URL, SoSoValue.com. Log in your account, depending on what type of login you use, either email or password or Google login directly. So once you are logged in, you are going to get this dashboard. You will have this dashboard the way it is. Now you can see this install app right here. That's what you're going to select. So once you select install app, you will see install desktop app, and you are going to see install mobile app. The mobile app is for your Android or iPhone. That's iOS, and the desktop app is the one you can install on your Windows PC. So all you need to do is tap on the install, and like it says here, desktop app already installed, because I already have the app installed on my PC. So once you tap on the install and the app has installed successfully, you should find the app icon on your desktop, depending on what you set it to be. I have it on my desktop, and I also have it on my taskbar. So all you need to do is launch the app, and once the app launches, you go ahead and log in your account with your login method. So once you're logged in, go back to the starter pack, and you'll be able to claim the tax from the desktop app. So this is the desktop app, as you can see right here. So if you come to your EXP section and go to starter pack, you'll be able to see that task, and once you tap on verify, it's going to go through, and that's going to earn you 150 EXP. So if you don't have a PC and you have somebody who has a PC, just log in your Google accounts, or whichever way you use to log into your SoSoValue. Log in your account on the person's PC, and you'll be able to complete that particular task. I hope this video helped you. If it does, drop a like and leave a comment in the comment section of this video. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.